So this is literally a Chat GPT front bumper. Guys, I am so excited about showing you my update today on my 993. Now, as you know, last time we were in the middle of a full-on restoration. It looks a little different now, but I promise when you see it, you're gonna really like it. Now, as you can see, we decided to change the color up a little bit. It's not orange anymore. Just kidding. Let me show you what it looks like now. Alrighty, so here's the car. Let me show you the update. As you can see, we have a front end on the car now. This front bumper probably took way too long to build. We have probably 500 hours in this whole front end here, but I think it turned out phenomenal. So kind of like we were talking about last time, my goal with this was to have a much simpler and cleaner look because I hate the factory bumper on these cars. I just think it looks extremely atrocious. I took some style cues from the 992.2. This car had the turn signal here. We did away with that, and we basically beveled this in here, made this an air intake right here, and you're probably wondering, where is the turn signal? As the 992 did on the dot twos, we're actually gonna put the turn signal in the bottom part of this headlight here. Now we're not done with it yet, so we're just one piece at a time, but we've got this finished up, and then we built in lip style like slash fender flare here, and I really like the curvature here. How this came about is very funny. We had the car done but the front bumper, and we submitted the car's photos in ChatGPT, and it like rendered something blue with this front bumper, and we were like, whoa, that looks extremely cool. So I was showing it to Nate. I'm like, hey, why don't we just make this front bumper? And so this is literally a ChatGPT front bumper. Like literally, like if you look at the pictures, this is what it is. We basically took that lip, molded it in, and then built it up because I hated how the front bumpers on these cars is just like round here, and it kind of builds up the front lip into the air inlets here. And then we took GT3 style mesh inlets to kind of give it a more modern look. It originally had the tow hook. We may do away with it. I'm still not completely sold on it yet. On the look before, it was a lot more desirable, but right here I'm kind of like 50-50, but I just think it totally looks way better than it did. And then another nice touch, which you may have seen in the last videos, but we did like a GT style front hood, so the sticker is actually painted in just like if it's a GT car from the factory. And then this hood, if you haven't been following this build, is literally a one-of-one carbon hood built by a guy that worked in the factory in Germany on these cars when they were building carbon new. I found this guy on Renlist. I literally was like searching through threads, emailed the guy, had to use Google Translate from English or German to English so he could understand me, and he built this hood for me like in his garage. It was extremely incredible how he did it, and it's really the best fitting piece of carbon I've ever seen on a car. With that being said, I think the front end looks awesome. And in fact, this started out as an SRS Tech body kit, so you can see the SRS Tech splitters here and the fender flares, and then we just kind of molded that in, and this was SRS Tech front lip that we just modified. So I think it turned out really awesome. And as you can see, if you just look at the overall car, the stance is phenomenal on it. We're still working on the wheel fitment. We're probably gonna line up the front wheels a little bit, get the lip probably a little flusher here, and where the tires tucking in right under here. But all in all, it's like, I'd say 95% done on the body. Just a few little tweaks, probably maybe a week's worth of work. And then the next step is the interior. This is gonna be a monster. We were originally doing a fully custom interior, but just due to the nature of how long this project's taken, we're gonna put the stock interior in it for now because we still have the engine in the car just yet. We're gonna get the car running, driving, and then come back and have the interior done. So we're making really big progress on the car, and I'm super excited to see this thing finished. So that wraps up the update right now. If any of you guys are building a 993 or just curious about what we've done in this car, comment below. We did just recently launch HVIpartsdirect.com. So you're gonna see some of these parts show up on there. We're looking to get signed up with SRS Tech. Now, obviously this front bumper is one off, so that would be a totally custom project if you want that. But we were gonna have the headlights available online, and pretty much a lot of these components in this car will be on the website. But if you have questions, just comment below, and please like and subscribe because we're gonna have a ton of new updates on this car coming soon.